This is a spoon. Do you know what is this color? This is white color. What is this color? White. Would you like to say white? Yes, white color, right. Do you know what is this? Yes, this is a plate. What is the color of this plate? Yes, white color, right. What is this? Yes, this is a cup. What is the color of this cup? Yes, white color, right. What is this? Is this a plate? No, this is a plate. So what is this? Yes, a saucer. What is this? Saucer, right. What is the color of this saucer? Yes, white color, right. Okay. What is this? What is this? Yes, a tissue. What is the color of this tissue? Yes, white color. So today we have learned the color white. Right. Now take your My Preschool activity book. Turn to page 22. This page. Right. What is this color? White. Right. Now you can take your white color pencil, then color this ball in white.